Thank you, Javiti, for calling me on the dais. And thank you, Dr. PC Jain and Dr. Java, for giving us a valuable advice and lot of support for being here. Thanks for all of you for being here to encourage us. By not taking much of your valuable time, we will present you our perspective and overview of our Building Services Design and Energy Institute. In this institute, we will be having workshops on heating, ventilation, air conditioning, services and systems, building electrical services and systems, public health engineering, fire protection system, IBMS, BIM, green building, renewable energy and its utilization. Today we are cold storage, cold chain, human comfort, in which we will be talking about evaporation cooling is more comfortable than air conditioning. We will be having two programs on VRB A to Z programs, and for that would be for fresh engineers. As well as we will be having classes for use of AutoCAD in heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration, and use of Revit in heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration. In this institute, we have planned training for executives and also for graduate engineers. As you can see, for executives, we will have workshops at our premises. Secondly, we have an option in case a company wants to have training at their own premises. For graduate engineers, we have the program, such as tailor-made programs or the programs suggested by the industry. Here, the graduate engineers will have a complete understanding on HVAC system and will also gain practical experience and understanding the architectural drawings, plans, sections, coordination with structure and other MEP services. Having the specialized faculty, we shall train the graduate engineers. This will help the companies to reduce their cost on the training. We are in touch with few companies for whom we will make tailor-made training courses, such as cold storage and cold chain, VRV and VRF. We will provide the programs based on the requirements in the field of HVAC, electrical, plumbing, sanitary, fire, BMS, etc. Thank you.